Step in my dojo, you
Step in my dojo, you
step in my
Push is nice. The APC-40 is nice. MIDI fighters are nice. Touche is nice. A desktop computer is nice. A big monitor is nice. A treated room is nice. All these things are nice, but they are not necessary. And the more of these things that you have in your setup, the more you'll start telling yourself, I can only write music when I'm in the studio. Not true. You can write music anywhere. You can write music on your phone. You can write music on someone else's computer. Okay? What you really need is to put your sample library, make a lean, mean sample library, like 5 gigs or less, put it in your Dropbox. Then you can have a sample library in your Dropbox where you always have sounds. You can bring them down on your phone, on your iPad, at someone else's house, whatever, it doesn't matter. Okay? And get used to writing tracks without all your gear, without all the bells and whistles. And the more you do that, the more able you're going to be to just cut to the core of composition and songwriting. And a lot of the time, your best ideas will come in the middle of the night at someone else's house. You know, all your friends are asleep and you're like sitting there on the couch and suddenly you hear this track in your head. Well, get your phone out, let it rip, get Beatmaker 2 or something. You don't always have to use the same DAW. So just get used to writing music anywhere, because inspiration can strike anywhere. And honestly, music does not have to be complicated to be awesome. It just has to have a good idea. It just has to have a good idea that's worth repeating, that's worth listening to again. Okay? So it's like that line in Fight Club, the things you own end up owning you. Okay? The more gear you depend on, the more you depend on your big computer and your big monitor and your treated room and your studio and whatever. You don't even need a MIDI controller. You can write music anywhere, okay? So get that in your head and practice writing music with nothing. And if you have a sample library online that you can pull your kicks and snares and stuff out of, you can write music with nothing and it'll still be great, okay? So it's all about striking hard, striking fast, striking wherever you are. You can make awesome music without any gear or anything. So get that into your head and start practicing that as a way of life. And you will break free of the shackles of complexity. All right? So that's my tip for you today. If you are enjoying these, please engage with the video, like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends, all that good stuff. Click the little bell if you're on YouTube, because I'm trying to do these for free, and your engagement really makes it more worthwhile for me. All right? So please engage with these videos, spread them around, and I'll keep them coming. Lots of love. Peace out.
it's like that.